Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Black and White PCIe Build. We are going to check out top 10 Best Black and White PCIe Build. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this black and white PCIe build, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
XPG Starker Air Mid-Tower ATX PCIe case with front mesh panel and ARGB light effect white. STRKRARGSVWW. Spacious design and cable management for easy and clean build. Front mesh panel design with removable dust filter for easy cleaning. Efficient airflow layout with 2 pre-installed XPG fans. Supports various M/B sizes. Mini ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, 2x2.5 drive space and 2x2.5/3.5 drive trays.
Top 9.
MSI MPG GUNGNIR 110R Premium Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case. Tempered glass side panel. 4x ARGB 120mm fans. Liquid cooling support up to 360mm radiator. Two-tone design. Tempered glass side panel. The side panel consists of tempered glass that can clearly showcase the fan's RGB lighting and build without any obstruction. ARGB HYTE. Customize your colors with 4 included ARGB 120mm fans, all supported by MSI Mystic Light.
Top 8.
Vetru A03 Black Mid-Tower ATX Gaming PC Case. Pre-installed 3x ARGB and PWM fans. Door opening tempered glass panel. High airflow mesh front panel computer case come with fan controller hub. Mesh and tempered glass panel. The mesh front panel and top dust filter provide more airflow and cooling, and the hinged transparent tempered glass side panel is easy to remove without any tools. Pre-installed 3-piece ARGB/PWM fans. The case pre-installed 3-piece 120mm ARGB and PWM fans in the front, which provides your case the great airflow cooling and colorful lights.
Top 7.
MUSETEX ATX PC case pre-installed 6 pieces 120mm ARGB fans. Mid-tower computer gaming case. USB 3.0 tempered glass phantom black computer case MN6B. Amazing remote control. MUSETEX MN6 comes with its own ARGB fan remote control. You can easily control the fan speed, ARGB color mode and brightness, and the coolest features that other brands can't let you experience. Let the light sync with your music by turning on the music mode. The color of the ARGB fan changes with the sound of your music or game, and enjoy.
Top 6.
Fractal Design Focus G Mid-Tower Computer Case. ATX. High Airflow. 2x Fractal Design Silent LL Series 120mm white LED fans included. USB 3.0. Window side panel. Black. Contemporary ATX case design. Accommodates high-performance components with smart and efficient space utilization for a compact footprint. Showcase your hardware. Large windowed side panel included. High airflow. 2x pre-installed Fractal Design Silent Series LL 120mm white LED fans with a total of 6 fan positions available.
Top 5.
HYTE Y60 Modern Aesthetic Dual Chamber Panoramic Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX Computer Gaming Case with PCIe 4.0 riser cable included. Black. CS AYTE Y60B. Panoramic views. No corner pillar. The Y60 features a 3-piece panoramic tempered glass design for the ultimate photo and display potential. See your build the way it was meant to be seen from the left or right side of your desk with a simple turn. Exclusively vertical GPU mounted. Why would you want to see your graphics card any other way? Included PCIe 4.0 riser cable. A protective riser cable canopy integrates
Top 4.
Corsair 4000D airflow tempered glass mid-tower ATX PC case. Black. Combining innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and proven Corsair build quality, the 4000D is a fitting choice for an immaculate high-performance PC. The Corsair Rapid Route cable management system makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables.
Top 3.
Apevia ENZO-WH mid-tower gaming case with 1x tempered glass panel. Top USB 3.0/USB 2.0/audio ports. 1x black/white fan, white frame. Stylish contemporary mid-tower computer gaming case with 1x tempered glass window, left, and 1x black fan with white blades pre-installed. Supports standard ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. USB 3.0/USB 2.0/HD audio ports, and improved cable management. Supports video cards up to 350mm in length and CPU coolers up to
Top 2.
AMANSON PC case, ATX mid-tower case tempered glass gaming computer case without ARGB fan black. Powerful cooling system, AMANSON H6 mid-tower PC case can accommodate 10 ARGB 120mm fans to provide lighting while maintaining good airflow. AMANSON PC cases support ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. Unique design, H6 ATX gaming case is equipped with tempered glass on the front and left side of the case, allowing a clear view of the RGB lighting and the components inside the building, creating a great gaming atmosphere.
Top 1.
Fractal Design Meshify C, compact mid-tower computer case, airflow/cooling, 2x fans included, PSU shroud, modular interior, water cooling ready, USB 3.0, tempered glass side panel, white. Streamlined high airflow design. The performance and capacity of a larger tower in a remarkably compact mid-tower size. Distinctive new styling with stealthy black-on-black aesthetic. Designed angular mesh front panel maximizes air intake, including lightly tinted tempered glass side panel, which offers users a clean and clear view of their components.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.